I'm getting some miles out of this Prius prime rib. What about you, Todd? All right.
Hey, Tom.
What? Oh. Is that a bad idea or no?
All right, Todd. Okay.
His real name.
There's too many. Yeah.
You and Efren working on?
Tacoma tacos, of course, and they are hot, hot, hot.
How about you, Efren?
I'm getting some miles out of this Prius prime rib. What about you, Todd?
My famous Tundra Laya.
This is a bad idea, Todd. I'm getting some miles out of this Prius prime rib. What about you, Todd?
My famous Tundra Laya.
Yeah, Todd, I said let's make sizzling deals on Toyotas. We're not chefs, damn it.
Tune in next Wednesday as we whip up some crow on the cob. What, am I looking up?
Oh yeah, this is a bad idea, Todd.
Good, Cody, you're gonna have to like make a sound or do something.
No.
For him.
He freezes up on that part.
No, it was my bad. I forgot about. I was thinking it caught on fire until after he didn't say jambalaya yet. This is a bad idea, Todd.
Yeah, Todd, I said let's make sizzling deals on Toyota.
Yes.
Sorry.
Tune in next Sunday as we go to church. Whip up some crow on the cob.
Toyota Tacoma tacos, of course. Sorry, see? I know.
You gotta use your Ace Ventura one, Brian.
Number 7.
Lucky number 7.
Lucky number 7.
I'm making Tacoma tacos, of course,
there,
and
baby.
they are hot, hot, hot.
How about you, Efren?
I'm getting some miles out of this Prius prime rib. What are you cooking, Todd?
Why are you laughing?
Because you're over.
Yeah, you're talking over me.
I was talking low.
I couldn't hear myself think.
I know, but it was like a comedy. Yeah,
But that was the whole point.
it was funny. It was funny.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I was trying to tell you. That's what they were doing later.
I know, but it was the first time I heard it. So I was like, oh my God, Todd's being hilarious right now. All right, okay. Serious face. Happy, serious.
3,
Okay.
2, 1.
I mean, you said let's make Tacoma tacos.
Drop the knife and then walk away?
Drop the knife.
Okay. Okay.
Tacoma tacos, of course, and they are hot, hot, hot. Toyota Tacoma tacos, of course. Making some Tacoma tacos. Jeez.
And they're hot.
Yeah. Yeah.
We're making. Okay, you ready? We're cooking. No, that's me. Nailed it. How about you, Efren?
Oh, that continue. Okay.
Tacoma tacos, of course, and they are hot, hot, hot.
How about you? Oh,
I thought you took out the of course.
thing is, we'll be doing corn on the cob.
Oh,
Oh yeah, look at that right there. Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Oh yeah.
Hey.
Okay. Well, I need a little bit of this.
Yeah.
A little bit of
Don't forget
that.
the onions. You said you love onions.
Is that nice? Real quick?
There you go.
Yeah.
There you go.
Here.
Yeah, very good. Yeah, there you go. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
really,
good.
yeah. You gotta eat
I like
that
it
up,
crispy. I
baby,
like it
yeah.
crispy.
Don't get sick. Don't even.
We're cooking up better deals than this.
All month long here.
We're cooking up better deals than this.
All month long here at valleyhightoyota.com.
Bon appetit.
We're cooking up more than great savings this month at Valley High Toyota. Brian, you and Efren, what are you working on?
Tacoma tacos, of course, and they're hot, hot, hot.
How about you, Efren?
I'm getting a lot of miles out of this Prius prime rib. What are you cooking, Todd?
My famous Tundra Laya, of course.
This is a bad idea, Todd.
Yeah, Todd, I said let's make sizzling deals on Toyotas. We're not chefs.
Join us next Wednesday as we'll be whipping up some Corolla on the cob.